Hey guys, Justin R for Results French here with today's Sales and Marketing Mastery Minute, aka the Revenue Ronin. If you're looking for more revenue for your business, you're in the right place. Please check out therevenueronin.com for more information about how you can join our community of other creators bringing in more revenue for their business, all focused around sales and marketing mastery, 90 days or less. Check out therevenueronin.com. Okay, today's topic is the three pillars of media domination. These are the three pillars of media domination. So we'll start with owned media. So owned media, these are assets like your website, your email list, your blog content, your YouTube channel, a podcast, right? These are your owned media channels. This is your digital real estate content that you control 100%. You don't have to rely on the algorithm changes and platform dependency. Build your castle first. Everything else is rented land. That's the Revenue Ronin statement. The next one is earned media. So this is the holy grail, right? This is others promoting you without payment. So pure trust and authority signals. So examples for here is like press releases, customer reviews, people talking about you on social media, word of mouth, influencer mentions, right? So earned media is proof you've solved real problems for real people. And then the last one is paid media, right? This is really rocket fuel for scale. Once you've proved that you can convert and drive revenue through your owned media and also earned media, then it's time to get into the paid media game, right? And this is that rocket fuel you need. Direct investment to amplify reach and accelerate results, putting $1 in and getting $1 out. Examples are Facebook and Instagram ads, Google ads, LinkedIn, YouTube, pre-roll advertising, and influencer partnerships, paid. And paid media without owned media is like renting a megaphone in someone else's house. So again, the revenue running strategy here is build your owned media, earned trust through the earned media, and then scale with paid. So check out the revenueronin.com. Join us on the journey towards sales and marketing mastery. The mission is 1,000 fellow Ronins, and we'll see you at the top. Stay hungry, stay humble. We'll see you at the top.